All right, do you want to learn how to use the Chalkline? So now I'm going to show you closely. So that way, if you want to use it, I'm going to show you. So in this case, we're going to start using the Milwaukee. I like it better. The world is more like a dinosaur age, less technology, but this one, it works great. As you can see, this is the model 48, 22, 39, 80. So now I'm going to show you how you can use this. So basically, you have to take a measurement. For instance, let's say that you want a measurement from here to here. Let's say that you want it maybe 1 inch. So you mark it with your marker here, do this, and then you go here, another inch here, and that's it. So once you have done that, all you have to do in this case is push the button that says push, because usually from factory it comes like that. So basically you have to pull it out, and then you can pull like this, as you can see, and this may start spinning. If you're going to use like a very long stretch, if you're going to make it, like a very long line, like 5 feet, 10 feet, or something like that, this is going to start spinning. So that is why you have to use the push. So as you can see here, you put it like this with this hook that you see here. So this hook that you see here, you can use even if you're by yourself, maybe as a nail or a screw. You can put it here in the middle. In this case, because it's small, you can hold it like that, pull, drop it, and that's it. So that is how you are going to mark it. And as you can see here, just with a quarter of a turn, all the string will go in. That is great. So because I'm saying this, because the push, you have the here. Why do you see the push here? Because usually with the regular ones that you see, you have to pull, you see, and the handle will spin. So if you don't want it to spin in the Milwaukee, basically what you do is just push the button, and that's it. And then inside there is like a gear, like a bicycle basically. When you push this, it's like this is completely free. The string is completely free. And when you release it, all the mechanism will engage, and then it will start working again. When you finish, you can do this. And let's say that you cannot, pull it anymore or something. Let's say that this is like this, and how are you going to keep, spinning it and put it here if the string is all the way in? So basically you push it again, and then you can spin it, put it like that, and that's it. Another thing, when it's brand new, of course, you have to use the chalk powder. So basically it's a quarter of a turn, and then pull, and then you put the powder here. If you want red, blue, whatever color you want, put it back in, and that's it. And the traditional one, you have to pull this like this, put the color here, put it back in, and that's it. And you have to spin it like a lot of times. So as you can see, there is no gear here, like a reduction gear or anything like that. You have to spin it like a lot of time, many times, in order to do the same thing that you can do here with one. So this, I like it a lot. That is the world, that is the dinosaur technology. This is the new thing. The only thing that I don't like about this, and this one either, it doesn't have the clip, to put it on your belt. As usual, Milwaukee, they don't know what they're doing, or they're doing things, halfway. I don't know why they don't put it like that. I guess I know, because they're not thinking, or the guy who is designing these type of tools, they are not using it, so they have no idea. They should do these type of things. Another thing, if you don't have a Chalkline, I made another video about this, but you can, if you have a Milwaukee measuring tape, you have to do it instead of using it like this. You can use it the other way, like that, marker, straight line. So as usual, I am in US. If you need tools, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you. Otherwise, if you want to learn more, go to my playlist and you will see all my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.